quote, "Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education." Martin Luther King Jr. I unquote. Good morning, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of BMS College of Law, it is with immense pride and pleasure that I extend a warm welcome to each of you on this momentous occasion, the graduation ceremony of the batch of 2025. Today we gather not merely to mark the culmination of an academic journey, but to honor the perseverance, achievements, and aspirations of our graduating students. We are deeply honored by the presence of our esteemed chief guest, the dignitaries gracing the dais, respected members of the BMS management, our revered principal, dedicated faculty members, proud parents, and most importantly, our graduates who are the very heart of today's celebration. With great pride and joy, let us now formally commence the proceedings of this significant day. To mark the auspicious beginning of today's ceremony, we seek the blessings of the Almighty to guide us in our future endeavors. I now invite Ms. Priyanka Bhatt, student of 6th semester BA LLB, to present the invocation song. I kindly request the dignitaries on the dais to light the lamp. May I request everyone to kindly rise as a gesture of reverence.
शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरि शारदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरि शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गाधीश्वरि शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाधीश्वरि शारदे शङ्करसन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे शङ्करसन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे सकलकला विशारदे वरदे सकलकला विशारदे वरदे सलहिम्मताये सामगानप्रिये सलहिम्मताये सामगानप्रिये शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरि शारदे शारदे करुणिसम्म श्रुतिगतिಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕರುಣಿಸಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರುತಿಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಪೂಜಿತೆ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾಮಿತದಾಯಿನಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಜನನಿ ಶೃಂಗಪುರಾಧೀಶ್ವರಿ ಶಾರದೆ शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरि 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 शारदे 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 धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Priyanka, for that soulful and spiritually enriching performance. To officially welcome you all and set the tone for today's ceremony, it is my honor to invite Dr. C. Veerabhadraya, Director 3 years and 5 years degree course, to deliver the welcome address.
Very good morning to everyone. Humble tributes to our great visionaries, Sri BM Srinivasaya and BS Narayan. It is my privilege and honor to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you to the Graduation Day 2025. We are deeply honored by presence of our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Narenalli Srinivasan Sanjay Gowda, Judge, High Court of Karnataka, and proud alumnus of BMS College of Law. Sir, we are truly grateful for your presence today. On behalf of BMS Educational Trust, the staff and students of BMS College of Law, we extend a warm and respectful welcome to you, sir. Now I request our Honorable Chairman, Sri Aviram Sharma, sir, and Sri Sanjeev, sir, and our beloved principals to felicitate our guest. Sir, welcome you, sir. A very special welcome to our Honorable Chairman, Sri Aviram Sharma, sir, the presiding dignity of today's program. Sir, your unwavering commitment to education has been instrumental in shaping the legacy of BMS institution. Now I request Sanjeev, sir, and our principals to felicitate. We also warmly welcome Sri Sanjeev sir, Director of Finance, BMS Educational Trust. I request Dr. Satish sir to felicitate sir. I also extend my heartfelt welcomes to our beloved principals, Professor Dr. F.N. D'Souza, Madam. I request Dr. Nalini Madam to felicitate Principal Madam. I also welcome Dr. Nalini Har, coordinator of these programs. So I request Ramya Madam to felicitate Dr. Nalini Madam. I also welcome Dr. Satish K.S., faculty and IQAC coordinator. So Dr. Beena, madams to felicitate Dr. Satish sir. And I also welcome Dr. Shweta P., faculty. So BMS College of Law, I request Srimati Veena to felicitate. I also welcome Srimati Ramya Madam. So I request Srimati Veena Madam to felicitate Ramya Madam. I extend heartfelt welcome to the members of the management, esteemed faculty, dedicated staff, beloved parents, and above all, the graduating students. Welcome each one and every one of you. Last but not least, I extend a warm welcome to print and electronic medias. Let us join together to make this celebration a cherished and unforgettable memory for all. Once again, welcome and thank you.
A warm welcome to you too, sir. Thank you, sir, for your gracious words of welcome and encouragement. Your steadfast leadership continues to uphold and advance the vision and mission of this institution. We are privileged to have among us today a distinguished individual whose professional accomplishments and insightful vision serve as an inspiration to our graduating cohort. I invite Shreya Casey of 4th semester BA LLB to introduce our honored chief guest of today.
Morning to one and all present here. John F. Kennedy once said, I think the success of any school can be measured by the contribution the alumni make to our national life. With that being said, let me now introduce you all to the chief guest of today's celebration, Honorable Mr. Justice Neranhalli Srinivasan Sanjay Gowda, Judge of the High Court of Karnataka. Justice N.S. Sanjay Gowda was born on 15th February 1967 to Shri N.S. Srinivasan and Dr. G.K. Shardamma. He completed his schooling at St. Joseph's Indian High School, Bengaluru, and graduated from St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science. He then pursued his law degree from BMSCollege of Law, so in many ways, today is a homecoming. He enrolled as an advocate with the Karnataka Bar Council on August 31st, 1989. Over the course of his legal career, he participated primarily in civil, constitutional, service, and labor matters, developing a reputation for his deep understanding of the law. After 3 decades of work at the bar, he was appointed as the judge of the Karnataka High Court on November 11, 2019. Apart from his work on the bench, Sir's long legal career offers an example as to where commitment to the profession can lead us to. For those of us graduating today, it's a reminder of the varied opportunities that await us in the legal field. Today, we are extremely glad to have you with us, sir. Over to you, sir.
Good morning to all of you. At the outset, I would wish to congratulate all the students who have graduated today after 5 years of hard work. I know it's not easy being a student, but I promise you it won't be easier being a lawyer from now on too. That being said, I would like to start off by saying I have been in this profession for more than 40 years. I was like a clerk to my father for about 3 years. Then I've been a lawyer for about 30 years. And as a judge for the past 5 years. More than telling you what you should do, I would rather concentrate on telling you what you should not do as a lawyer. First of all, you cannot and you should not attempt any shortcut in your life. When I mean a shortcut, I mean a shortcut to study and understand the law. There is no way you can understand the law by taking shortcuts. Fundamentally, for you to understand a particular law, let's say a simple statute, until you read the entire statute and understand the statute in its context, reading a provision, reading a chapter will only make you an incomplete lawyer. The common mistake that lawyers make is that when they get a case, they are only interested in reading that relevant portion of the law which they think is applicable to the case. When you study in that particular manner, your understanding and your advocacy will be incomplete or maybe even half complete. Until you understood the entire statute, the entire law with which your client is facing a problem with, you cannot address the problem, and at any rate, you cannot give him a solution. You will at most times end up confusing yourself and you won't be able to deliver complete service to your client. Whenever a client approaches you with a problem, the basic requirement is that you ascertain the facts completely, accurately, and thoroughly. Until you analyze the facts completely, you cannot really apply the law. Law is applicable to a given context. If the facts change, the law also would change. So it's fundamental that you have understood the facts of a particular case, the problem that your client is facing, and more importantly, whether the law can give him a solution or not. 9 times out of 10, you will get cases that you will not win. But that should not deter you. Your job is to ensure that your client gives or gets a complete opportunity to defend himself if he has done anything wrong, or gets a solution in the court of law if a wrong has been committed to him. For this, a complete understanding of the law is a must. Second, don't try to mislead your client. If you mislead a client, and promise him the moon and the stars, you can be assured that he'll be a client only for one case. It does not matter whether you win or you lose. The client will see your approach. The client will see the amount of effort that you put in to see that he gets some benefit through the judicial process. If you were to try to tell him that this is possible and that is possible and you give him a guarantee, mark my words, you will get hurt. A disgruntled client is more dangerous than any enemy that you can get. Even if you lose a case, if he gets the feeling that you have taken care of his case and tried your best to help him, he will tell other friends of his, relatives of his, here is a guy whom you can approach, he will not cheat you. This, in the long run, will take you very, very far. A single case victory will not get you anywhere. It's the entire journey of a lawyer which would be relevant in the longer period of time. These two things, to my mind, would be important. You will see people who adopt shortcuts. You will see people who do things that should not be done. And you will see them progress at a much faster pace, economically and otherwise. But there will be a time when whatever they did wrong will catch up to them. Don't be in that situation. If you ask me personally, to be an expert, to be a world-class lawyer, or to be a world-class athlete, I believe that it requires a minimum of 10,000 hours of serious practice. All of you have studied for about 6 hours a day for about 5 years, 200 days a year. So roughly about, 1,200, 5,000 hours. Out of those 5,000 hours, I am sure even half of them will not be serious or productive because your study is focused on getting through an exam. At best, you are at this preparatory phase. You are prepared to face the world. Now is the phase where you have to execute whatever you have learned. And mark my words, you are not completely prepared because you have not put in the 10,000 hours. To put in 10,000 hours, you require something like about 6 hours a day of serious studying. Studying, understanding, and thinking about what you have studied and understood. If you were to study for 6 hours a day, let's say for 200 days a year, it is 1,200 hours. Now that is, if you make the math, it's about 7 to 8 years of dedicated studying for you to call yourself as a competent, full-bodied professional. Most of us would not be able to do this. Until you do this 10 hours, 10,000 hours, I am sure none of you will be a complete lawyer in that sense of the term. If you do not put in that 10,000 hours of work, there is no way you will be satisfied about your own competence. You will be caught unawares when you start arguing in a court of law. Imagine this scenario. A judge like me has put in about 30 years. So 30 years is a long period of time. The amount of cases that he is exposed to is huge. The amount of cases that you as a lawyer is exposed is minuscule as compared to a judge. Me working as a judge for a year or two is as good as working as a lawyer for 20 years. So if you were to open your mouth before a judge who's put in 30 years, he will know within a minute or two as to how competent or as to how incompetent you are. Please keep that in mind. Whenever you go to a court, the first thing that you should know is you should first be thinking like a judge. What is his question going to be? How does he analyze or understand my facts? What would he throw at me? Unless you think like a judge, you will not be able to perform as well as a lawyer should perform. Most of the lawyers, me included, would go to the court with whatever our client has told, thinking that if I say this to the judge, my client will get some relief. The judge is not interested in that perspective. He's looking at it from the third perspective, not from your client's perspective, not from your adversary's perspective, but on a holistic level as to whether anything wrong is committed. Until you address that issue first, before you step into the court, you will not be able to tackle the case and you won't be effective in the case. Therefore, please, whenever you go to the court, be prepared to first think as to what the judge will ask of you. Think what the other side will be arguing. Then formulate your case so that For whatever propositions that you lay down, the other side will be at a disadvantage. The guy who does this better will normally win. I'm not saying about the case. He will win the mind of the judge. The next time you go before the judge, he will remember that this is a lawyer who did his well. He knows what he's talking about and he won't bluff his way through. If these three simple things are kept in mind, I am sure in my mind that all of you will do exceedingly well. Most of you may become lawyers, may not become lawyers. Whatever you do in your life ultimately depends on what you desire to become. You people are the masters of your destiny. Nobody can and nobody will be able to control you. The amount of success that you will get is directly proportional to the amount of hard work that you put in. No matter what anybody says, the rewards that you get will always be proportional to the amount of effort that you put in. You may see some people put in a lot of effort but not be successful enough. But success is not something which comes at a given point of time. You do not know when you will succeed, you do not know when you will fail. Please keep that in mind, that this is a marathon. You will not become a great lawyer within a year or two. You will not become a fantastic lawyer in 5 years or 10 years. Your aim should be to be one of the best lawyers that you can be. And that fundamentally depends on how much hard work you're prepared to do. I would also like to tell you people that if you do reading of, let's say, 1 hour of any subject, you should shut the book and think about what you read at least for about 2 hours. If you think for about 2 hours as to what you read for an hour, the thought process will change the way you think completely. You will start doubting whatever you read. You will start thinking in different ways. But at the end of the 2 hours, I am telling you, whenever you want to deliver a speech, an argument, it will be concise, precise, and something that the judge should be looking forward to. A judge should be wanting to listen to what you want to say, rather than ignoring whatever you say. This is the trick that you should learn in order to become extremely competent lawyers. I think I've given a big enough lecture for all of you. It's your day. Please enjoy it. All of you have studied really hard. But like I told you, your journey to life starts from today. You cannot rest from now on. Till now, you had a nice, relaxed time. Now you'll have to face the world. Best of luck. I wish the very best to all of you. Thank you.
And motivating address. Your presence has indeed enriched this occasion, and your words will surely resonate with our graduates as they embark on their next chapter. We now come to a solemn and defining moment, the administration of the oath. This ceremony signifies the graduates' unwavering commitment to uphold ethical standards, integrity, and professional responsibility in their chosen paths. I now invite Professor Dr. Anita D'Souza, Principal BMSCL, to administer the oath to the graduating batch. May I request all the graduates to kindly rise.
Please put your right hand in front, left on your chest, and repeat after me, mentioning your name. I, your name, recognizing my privilege in having received legal education, training, and the responsibilities that come with it, solemnly pledge to respect and uphold the rule of law, the integrity of the legal profession, constitutional values and principles to the best of my ability, and to conduct myself with honesty and integrity. I pledge to accept my new status as a professional and approach my colleagues, adversaries alike with integrity and professionalism that the practice of law demands. I pledge to conduct myself with the dignity befitting an advocate and the honor of my alma mater. May the Almighty help me to do so. Congratulations and all the very best to all of you.
Graduates. We now move to an integral part of our program, the recognition of academic excellence and individual distinction. The distribution of meritorious awards celebrates those students who have demonstrated exceptional diligence, discipline, and commitment throughout their academic tenure. I now invite Srimati Ramya K, Assistant Professor, to come forward and announce the names of the recipients of these well-deserved honors.
Thank you, Akshay. We will start with 5-year BA LLB degree course. First, we have Anushri NS from second semester. Grade, an outstanding grade from the KSLU University. Rakshit Raju M from fourth semester BA LLB, securing an A+ grade. Students, please cheer for these students. Kriti Gupta from 6th semester BA LLB, securing an A+ grade. Vasundhara DR from 8th semester, securing an O grade, an outstanding grade. Ananya Manjunath from 10th semester BA LLB, she's a graduate, she's an alumnus, securing an A+ grade in her examinations. Moving on, we have the 3-year LLB degree course. Ms. Sonalika Jayakrishnan from 2nd semester LLB, securing an A+. We have Ms. Bhumika R from 4th semester LLB, securing an O grade. We have Manjunath H from 6th semester LLB, securing an A grade. Mr. Vishal K of 5-year BCom LLB degree course from 2nd semester BCom is getting an O grade and a meritorious award. P. Megha Kalyani from 4th semester BCom LLB, securing an A+ grade. Graduating batch of students to kindly cheer them. Sinchana D from 6th semester BCom LLB, securing an A+. R.S. Brinda from 8th semester, securing an A+. Suteja Kulkarni from 10th semester, securing an outstanding grade. Okay, from BBA LLB 5-year degree course, we have Ms. Khushi Jain from 2nd semester BBA LLB, securing an outstanding grade. We have Ms. Varshini Janardana from 4th semester BA LLB, securing the highest marks in IPC, Law of Crimes 1. We have Kriti Gupta, securing the highest marks in Contract 1 and Contract 2. We have Akanksha from 6th semester BCom, Akanksha Ramesh, securing the highest marks in the property law. We have Pranati Prasad from 6th semester, securing the highest marks in property law again. All these awards have been sponsored by our alumni, Shri H.S. Dwarakanath and Shri Vishal Bhatt from Manoma Legal. We also have an endowment award from our alumni as well, from Ms. Saumya. Thank you. I request the dignitaries to kindly stay on the dais to be giving away a memento to our graduating batch of students. I now call upon all the BCom LLB graduates, the graduating batch, BCom LLB, to kindly line up towards my right. Akanksha KA. Yes, we also have a special award for the best outgoing sports person. Ms. Sheetal D from the final year, 3-year LLB degree course, is bagging this award. She has a lot of accolades to her credit. She is also a representative of the Karnataka State Law University badminton team. She is also a sports advisor to the Karnataka State Law University Sports Committee. Congratulations, Sheetal. Ms. Akanksha KA, 10th semester BCom LLB. Ms. Akanksha KA. Mr. Amog L.N. Kumar. Anjan B. Reddy. Anurag D. Arundhati. Bharat Kumar U. Chirag G. Prasad. Chirag K.A. Dhanush Gowda J. Diya A.R. Jeevan S. Reddy. Kaushik Gowda B. Kirtana MS. Students who have received the awards to kindly go back and sit down in the places. Keshav Agarwal. Lahari NM. Lavanya Sai N. M. Shubhang. Monisha HL. Nagashravani NK. Nandini S. Nikita Jangid. Pragna SH. Prajwal Kumar BM. Preksha P. Avarur. R.S. Brinda. Rahul Gowda Patil. Rakshita S. Rohan J. Rutu L. Sahana S. Sai Meghna Krishna Kumar. Samhita V. Samiksha J. Sanjana PU. Sheikh Mohammed Sohail. Sharan Chandrasekhar D. Shashank SL Rao. Shatabhi R. Puttankar. Shri Vaishnavi V. Srinidhi M. Shri Priya Venugopal. Srinath L. Srinivas ST. Srijan S. Suhas C. Suhas C. Sujay Venkatraman Bhatt. Sujendra Kumar G. Tejas Krishna BS. Tillai Vidyasagar N. V. Preeti. Vaishnavi HM. Varshita BK. Vismaya R. Shetty. Y. Meghna. Yogeshwar L. We have with us Sri Sadhu Kokila, the famous music composer from the Kannada film industry. Sir, I request you to kindly come up on the dais. I request our chairman to kindly felicitate him. Thank you for joining us, sir. I now welcome Dr. Shweta P., Associate Professor, to kindly call out the names of the BA LLB students. Thank you.
Very good morning to one and all present here. Congratulations to all the students and proud parents being here. Now I call upon BA LLB 5 years degree course, Abhishek, Adyan, Akhilesh G. Nair, Akhila, Amog S. Rao, Anmol Vaishnavi, Arpita Singh, Ashita M, Ashwini A. Bhatt, Atul Raj, Avantika Rajshekar Patil, Bhavana, Bhavya Krishna, Bhumika, Chaitanya Y. Kumar, Chaitra Shri, Chandrika. I request all the students to settle down. Cherukuri Harshini, Gruhita, Darshana, Datri CJ, Dhruva Shrikant, Divya Karthik Kumar, Dhruti Gowda, Dyuti N. Ayesya, Gagana, Ganavi V, Gokul R, Gurudat, Harshita S, Hemant Kumar, I request all the students who have received the memento, please settle down. Hemavati C, Ishan Kumar, Jahnavi, Jayashri S, Jeenal K. Solanki, Jeevan HL, Karan Gowda, Kemparaj, Ramya, Kritik T, Lata M, Likita Murthy R, Likita R, Magesh, Mahalakshmi Karanta KR, Malaka Jeevan Reddy, Meenakshi V, Sania Naveed, Akash Potish, Armala Gokul Reddy, Shravya KR, Siri SR, Srujan K, Vasundhara DR. Now I request B section students, Meghana HV, Mithuna Nandini, Nagashri, Namrata Singh, Nandan P, Nandini S, Narayana Reddy Shri Priya. I request all the parents and students to settle down. Nayan N. Kumar, Nikhil Jangam, Nishant Kumar, Purvi Kalyani, Pratiksha Kishore, Shreyas Kumar, Rajesh N, Rakshit, Rijo Joseph, Roshna R. Gopal, Sanat Kumar, Sanjana N, Sanjana R. Deshpande, Sanjana Sunil, Satvik, Shambhavi S, Sharanya Praveen, Sharanya V, Shivani R, Simran, Skandashri, Snehal N, Saumya M, Srujan TM, Sudhanshu, Sujal Suman, Syed Mir Adnan, Teja G, Tejas B, Tejas R. Krishna, Tejaswini R, Tarun SV, Tushti S, I request all the 3 year students to be on the line. Tushar Shankar, Uday Kumar Reddy, Ujjwal G, Vandana M, Varsha R, Varshini K, Varshini Smitha, Vedant, Vinay Rakshit, Vishwam, Yashas and Murthy, Rashika, Parul Sharma, I request all the students and the parents to be seated. We'll share all the photos in a drive. I request all the parents and the students, those who have received the mementos, please settle down. Now I request Dr. Satish to read out the names of 3-year students.
Good morning, one and all. Now I would like to call the names of the graduating students of 3 years LLB degree course. I would like to request Shri B.S. Sanjeev Sir, Finance Manager, BMSCT, to distribute the mementos to the graduating students. Arati Satish, Aditi Ramachandra, Aditi Singh, Amoga P, Anish Fatima Sayed, Anusha S, Arjun Anand H.A., Arun V. Senan, Aryan B. Sangvi, Arzu Harish Savla, Bhargavi, Bhavana NM, Bhavana TS, Bhumika R, Chandana R, Chandrasekharaya, Chetan GP, D. Sheetal, Dikshit K, Devraj N, Dikshit? Dikshit T. Okay. Okay. Ganesh P, Ganesha SR, Gayatri GT, okay. Gautam Ilva? Okay. Budimetla Monica Lakshmi, Guru Prasad BL, Harshita S. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ?
It's a humble request. The graduating batch of students and the parents to kindly settle down. Please maintain the decorum of the house. Your photos will be shared later. Kindly settle down.
Gautam S. Hemashri M. Hartik Anwa. Hirtika. Hirtik Anwa M. Jaychandra M. Jaydatta BS. Jivan Gowda S. Janaranjan M. Karan Das P. Kavya. Kavya B. Kavya B. Kiran C. Lokesh L. M. Manikandan. Mallikarjuna B. Manasa M. Kanva. Manish Gowda G. Manoj L. Monisha V. Monit B. Kumar. Nagarjun J. Nandita S. Naveed Kulgeri. Neha R. Nikhil HD. Nishita B. Nitin E. Nureen Sabha. Parmesh absent. What is your name? Our absent. Parikshit PN. Patil Janvi Namdev. Prachi D. Anusha, Prithvi ilva? Okay. R. Anusha. Raghavendra BS. Raghavendra R ilva? Rakshit Kalal, Rakshita D, Ramakrishna Bhatta, Rameshri S, Rekha K, Rohit, right? Rohit P. Puranik, Roshni, yeah? Roshni Shivkumar, R.V. Tarun Raghavendra, Aditya Srihari. Yes, Aditya Srihari, yes, Tejesh, Sagar K, Sagar N.S. Iyer, Sahana N.S., Saksha S. Palan, Shakti Rajgopal, Shakti Rajgopal S, Shamant N, Sharan A.K., Sharanya R, Sharat M, Shashi Kumar D, Shivangi, Shivangi Mathur, Shri Vidya Lakshmi K, Shruti, Shubhi Avasti, what is your name? Okay. Shweta CG, Sindhurani HR, Saurabha Ravikumar, Spurti M, Suhas, Surjit R. Gowda, Sushmita N, Tamil Ninchan, okay. Tamil Ninchan T, Tanusha R, V. Meghana, Wagmi R. Yajurvedi, Vaishak C. Varsha Paurat. Varun S. Vetika D. Vijay M. Vinay G. Yashas yes. Yashika ilva? Yashwan Jetty. Yashwan Jetty BA. Yogesh Shankar RP. Yuvraj yes.
It's a humble request from our side. Parents and the students, please settle down. I request all the parents and the students to settle down. The graduating batch. We'll share all the photos with you.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಈ ಪೋಡಿಯಮ್ದೊಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೈಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಈ ಏನಾದರೂ LED ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಟ್ರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಖ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಓದೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ನಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮದೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಸಲೇಖ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಮರೆಯಲು 10,000 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಸೊ 10,000ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಂದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದವನು ಯಾವತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಇದೆ. ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ದುಡಿಯೋನಿಗಾಗಲಿ, ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋನಿಗಾಗಲಿ, ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ದೇವರು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರೂ, ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದರು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಬೇಕು. ಫುಲ್ಲು ಮಿನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಜಿಣಿಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಈ ಫೀಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಂಥ ಜಾಗ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಆಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲಾಯರಾಗಿ ಜಡ್ಜಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮನೇಲಿ ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್. ಆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಠಾರ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ವಠಾರ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಓನರು ಆ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಮನೆ, ಇದು ವಠಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 8 ವಠಾರ 8 ಮನೆಗಳು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗಿದ್ದವರೇ ಓನರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಇವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹರಾಜು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಕೋರ್ಟಿಂದ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮುಗಿಯೋ ತನಕ ಯಾರೂ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 10 ವರ್ಷ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನು ಗಿಮಿನ ಬಂದು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ತಿ ಬಿಸಾಕಿ ಆಚೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು, ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬೇರೆ. ಬಟ್ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಾಯರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದೇ ನಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಲಿರಿಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಮೈಕು? ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಈಗ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಹಾಡನ್ನೇ ಆಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಖುಷಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರಕ್ತ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು, ನಿಮಗಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿಗೆ ಹಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೈ ತಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಕೈಗೆ ತೊಟ್ಬೋದಮ್ಮ. ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ? ಡೇಂಜರ್ 15 to 20 danger, 20 to 30 soldier, 30 to 40 hunter, 40 guinea beggar, 50 game mail puncher. Oh danger, 15 to 20 danger, 20 to 30 soldier, 30 to 40 hunter, 40 guinea beggar, 50 game mail puncher. ಬಾಪ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡು. ಹೇ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹದಿನಾರು ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದೋಗುವುದು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಜೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ, 15 ವರ್ಷ ಓಡೋಗುವುದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಗುಂಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಹ್, ಮತ್ತೈದು ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದೋಗುವುದು ಕೆಲಸ ಹುಡುಕೋ ಗೋಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೈದು ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದೋಗುವುದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯ ಜಂಜಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ. ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡು ಹೋಗೋ ದಿನ, ನಿನಗೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು 3 ದಿನ. ಈ ಸತ್ಯ ನಿನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯೋ ದಿನ, ನೀ ಕಟ್ಟುವೆ ಗಂಟು ಮೂಟೇನಾ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಡೇಂಜರ್ 15 to 20 danger, 20 to 30 soldier, 30 to 40 hunter, 40 guinea beggar, 50 game mail puncher. apne high speed. Ready, come on. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೈ ತಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ, ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರು ಡಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಕೊಡಿ ಕೈ ಕೊಡಿ. ಹೇ ವೇದಾಂತಗಳು ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಗಳು ಯಾರ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟ ಕಟ್ಟುಕತೆ, ಜೀವನದ ರಸ ಸವಿಯೋಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನೇನಿದಂತ ಕತೆ. ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪಡೆಯೋಕೆ, ಮಧುಮಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಹಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಕಹಿಯ ಸತ್ಯನ ಹಡೆಯೋಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಗುಣ ಅದು ಅಹಂಕಾರ, ಈ ಭೂಪನಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ಅಲಂಕಾರ, ಇದ ಹೇಳುವುದು ನನ್ನ ಅಧಿಕಾರ, ಅದ ಕೇಳುವುದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ನಾನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಡೇಂಜರ್ 15 to 20 danger, 20 to 30 soldier, 30 to 40 hunter, 40 guinea beggar, 50 gimel puncher. Ah. ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಗಂಟು ಮುಖ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂತಾಗಲೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಎದ್ದು ಓಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ IAS ಆಫೀಸರ್ಗಳು, ಜಡ್ಜ್ಗಳು, ಪೊಲೀಸವರು, IPSನವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಓಡ್ ಬಂದು ಸಾರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿನೇ ನಾವು ಮಲಗೋದು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಂಜಾಟಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಾಯರ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದು ತಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಖುಷಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ನನಗೇನೇ ತಲೆನೋವಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿನೇ ನಾನು ನೈಟ್ ಮಲಗೋದು ಅಂತ. US ಇಂದ ಫೋನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನನ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವೇ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ 5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಕರಿತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರು. ಅವ್ರು ಕರೀದೇನೆ ಬಂದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you so much, Sadhu sir, for your inspiring words and also for an electrifying performance. Also, thank you to all the dignitaries on the dais. Congratulations once again to all our graduates. May this memento be a cherished reminder of your academic journey and the values you carry forth. It is now a privilege to hear from a visionary leader whose unwavering support has been instrumental in the growth and excellence of this institution. I invite Shri Aviram Sharma, the chairman of BMS College of Law, to deliver the presidential address. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Congratulations to all the graduates who have passed this year. First of all, I am hoping and I'm sure that the last 5 years or 3 years have been enriching for you in terms of experience and knowledge, which will help you in your future and also help in the success. Some of you will be joining any corporates, some of you will be lawyers, some of you will try to further studies, but the road ahead will not be as smooth as possible. You have to work hard, and the confidence I see in your face, I'm sure you will be gaining the success or the requisite goals which you have dreamt also. So again, best of luck. Keep contacting our college because I believe we have the best alumni networks being established in 1963. Lot of judges and sir is there being alumni, so we have lot of people with good connects. So you can use and gain experience for also there, right? So enjoy, have fun, and 3 cheers to all the students again, and big round of applause to all the graduates. Enjoy.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words and enduring commitment to fostering educational excellence and student empowerment. As we draw toward the conclusion of this ceremonial gathering, it is only appropriate that we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all those whose efforts made today's event a grand success. I now invite Dr. Nalini R., the faculty coordinator, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Yeah, good morning to one and all present here. It's my honor to deliver the vote of thanks on this momentum occasions. So first and foremost, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Neerenahalli Sudarshan Sanjay Gowda sir, for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion and addressing our students. Thank you so much, sir. I could also like to thank our chairman, sir, Sri Aviram Sharma, sir, for his gracious presence and also addressing our students for the outgoing batch. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. I could also like to thank our finance sir, Sri Sanjay, sir. And I could also like to thank our principal ma'am for being our guiding lights, mentorship in organizing so many programs like this. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would also like to thank my faculties, coordinators, colleagues, admin staff, accounts, media, technical staff for ensuring that today's program has been a successful one and a memorable one. Thank you one and all. Thank you all my colleagues, faculty coordinators, student coordinators, everyone. Thank you so much for making this event a wonderful one and a memorable one. And I could also like to thank all the parents, graduating batch students, student coordinators, media for covering this program and making a grand success of this program. Thank you one and all present here. Thank you all the parents, student coordinators, graduating batch and all the students. And at last, I thank you each one of you for making this program a memorable one. Have a nice day and congratulations for graduating batch students. Thank you one and all.
We conclude the formal proceedings of the graduation ceremony. We now cordially invite all the dignitaries, faculty members, parents and graduates to partake in the celebratory lunch arranged at the BMSCL building. To the graduating batch of 2025, as you step into a world brimming with opportunities, may you always lead with integrity, serve with humility, and strive for excellence in all that you do. Congratulations once again, and may success accompany you at every turn. Thank you.
It's quite